guys, welcome back. It's Veronica with another haul from CVS, and I also went to Walgreens today. Today's Sunday, February 3rd, and I did a small haul at both stores, so let's jump right into it. CVS, of course, everyone is doing this deal at CVS and Walgreens. It is the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, and you know whenever we can get laundry detergent for 99 cents or less, we are all over it, right? So this week, Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is $1.99 on sale. We have a $1 manufacturer coupon out there, coupons.com, also in the inserts. So make sure you go ahead and print that out. You're only going to be able to print it out one time, all right? And also the coupons are limit 1 per transaction. So I did one on separate cards. So $1.99, use that $1 manufacturer coupon, making these guys 99 cents. Sweet deal. All right, so I also did the panty liner, CVS panty liner deal. I'm getting these awesome CRTs every week. So at my store, it's $1.39 for these guys. And I have a $1.50 $1.50 CRT that print from the red box. So these were absolutely free. All right. So if you have those CRTs, hey, be grabbing those liners or you know, whatever you can find that's really cheap that you don't have to spend any money out of pocket. All right, so I actually did I also did an aspirin deal. This CVS brand aspirin, I only did it because I had a sweet CRT to go with it. Now these guys were on clearance for $1.04. I had a $2 off CVS Health brand pain reliever that made this absolutely free as well. So make sure you check your stores for your clearance items and put those CRTs with it. I know some of you said before that your stores won't allow you to use your CRTs with your clearance items, but if your store does allow it, make sure you look for your clearance items and put those CRTs and manufacturer coupons if you can use those as well. So these guys, $1.04 on clearance. I used a $2 off CVS Health brand pain reliever, making these absolutely free, and gave me a 96-cent over. Now I'll talk about that in a second. So I also did a Suave 24-hour protection deodorant deal, only because I did not want to spend all that money for the Dove dry spray. Now you know I love the Dove dry spray, but I did not want to spend that money today. I didn't have a coupon to go with it. But so I'm going to give this one a try because I'm out of my dry spray deodorant. So anyway, guys, these the Suave 24-hour protection deodorant dry spray was on clearance at my store, so make sure you check your stores. $2.49. The regular price is $4.99. All right, there is a Suave, I went to the database and there is a Suave $1 manufacturer coupon out there. I didn't have it, of course, it wasn't in my region. So yeah, $2.49, not bad. All right, and the last and final thing I brought today at CVS was some Oreo cookies. They're on clearance for $1. I don't know how many is in this pack, but $1 for these guys. The regular price, I forgot, I think it's like $2.19 or something like that. So that's my small haul at CVS. I wanted to do the Renew Eye Solution. These are on sale for $7.99, limit 1. We have a $4 manufacturer coupon out there, coupons.com. Also, they're in the inserts. So make sure you print those, making it $3.99. And plus, you're getting a $3 extra care book back when you buy one. So after your extra care book back, that's going to make it 99 cents. Really sweet deal on the eye solution. They were all out at my store. I just missed it because I was told that a lady came right before I got in there and purchased 3 of them. So yeah, guys, so make sure you get that deal. And if they're out at your store, make sure you get a rain check. All right, don't forget about your rain checks. All right, so let's hop over to Walgreens. Walgreens, Oh, my total for CVS, my total was $4.51, guys, for all of this right here, which is a sweet deal, right? $4.51. And I'm taking it that the overages from the panty liners and the aspirin, I'm taking it that the overages went over and gave me some extra money to play around with, because looking at my receipt is like the Suave came out up to $1.86. The laundry detergent was like 73 cents. The Oreo cookie 75 cents. The aspirin came out to 78 cents. 35 cents for the panty liner. I'm taking it because of the overages that I had with the extra care bucks, not extra care bucks, with the CRTs, because like the CRT for the aspirin was $2, but the aspirin was only $1.04. So I'm taking it that 96 cents went on over, if you follow what I'm saying. So yeah, $4.51 with tax, $4.82 for all of that, which is a really sweet deal. Even though I didn't get any extra care bucks back, it's all good. It was under $5 for all of that, which is awesome. All right, so let's go over to Walgreens. My Walgreens haul was, I did the Arm & Hammer Power Packs there. They're on sale for $1.99. I did 2 of them on separate cards, because once again, the coupon allows you to do 1 per transaction or something like that. So $1.99. Use that $1 manufacturer coupon. These guys are 99 cents. All right, so guys, you know I love leggings. If you know me, I love leggings. That's like all I wear, pretty much, leggings. So at Walgreens, these leggings, check your clearance, these leggings are $1.79. They had a ton of them. I only grabbed 1 because I don't know, I'll probably go back and get some more, but $1.79 for leggings. Check your clearance items at your Walgreens. Also, chapstick, 3-pack of chapstick. These guys are on clearance, special limited edition for $1.74. I guess because it's the holiday brand, candy cane flavor, $1.74 for a 3-pack of chapstick. Why not? So my total at Walgreens for 2 of these Arm & Hammer Power Packs, my chapstick, and plus my leggings came up to $5.51. $5.51. The regular price for these leggings are $5.99. So if you're looking at it like that, it's like I only bought these leggings and all of this right here was free. So guys, make sure you check your clearance items, and make sure you get the awesome deal this week on the laundry detergent. All right, guys, those are my small hauls this week from CVS and from Walgreens. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Tangy Tea of Life. All right, and let's talk about some things. Tangy Tea of Life, go ahead over and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notifications when the next video arrives. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.